In this video, let's talk about the Mercedes OEM wheel spacers. Let's go. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM too. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness, 3mm to 116mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheel adapters. The thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to you. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reaches a accuracy of 0.02mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.